Welcome back to the channel. I'm Tequila B with TruLuv Designz. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing, hit that like button and that notification bell so that you'll know when I post my next video. This is my last pattern haul for 2022, okay? If I purchase any other patterns, it will not necessarily be a haul. It will just be patterns that I need for specific things, such as for my courses with Sew It Academy or any other project that I want to work on at that time. So I'm going to show you the patterns that I got in this last haul, and let's get to it. So the first pattern is mccalls M8311. This is similar to one of the patterns that they released back in spring, but my favorite version of this dress is version C. I'm not really for the one sleeve, one shoulder out thing. If I'm going to have a shoulder out, it's going to be both. So when I make this pattern, I will be making version C. Next pattern is mccalls M8323. And the first view that caught my eye on this pattern is view A. I did like what the model is wearing, and I did not realize that this was a shawl, which is a separate view. And then this is a whole nother thing, like a tank, you know? I did not know that until I watched Maureen's video and she pointed that out. I was like, oh, I might try that view. I don't know. I like it when I thought it was one piece, but knowing that it's two, I don't know. Probably just stick with view A, but we'll see. Next pattern, this is a pattern that I got off the rack. It's 11550, but the official pattern number is M8314. This is another romper and jumpsuit pattern, and my favorite view on this one is view C. I think mostly because it reminds me of a caftan. So when I get ready to make this pattern, I will be making view C, and who knows, I may use this in a special project that I have coming up. I don't know yet. We'll see. This last pattern is one that I said I wanted, but I could not find at one of the previous sales. And V over at 85th and Wade, she left me a comment and let me know that this is most likely a PDF pattern because of the number that was on the website. And I had no idea that that meant it was a PDF. And so I'm learning. Thank you, V. So I did finally go ahead and print out that pattern, and it's mccalls M7430. This is a dress pattern, and it does not have all of the views on this cover, but I flip it here. It has side panels, no side seams, and then front and back pieces, yoke and sleeve. I do like the view that the model is wearing, which I believe is view C. But I also like view A, the sleeveless version. So I'm pretty sure I'll make both of these views. And what drew me to it was, number one, it's a sweater dress. And I love sweater dresses. And winter is coming, and honestly, I'm kind of ready for winter. And for me, you know, that is not a statement that you would be prepared to hear me say, because I absolutely hate winter. I mean, I think when it's cold that you should be able to stay at home and still get paid. You know, I don't think anybody should come out the house when it's cold. I don't like cold weather. But for some reason, I am ready to make some sweater dresses and wear these things. Plus, I have some things that I got for Christmas, dresses and things that were for the winter time that I really didn't get to wear because, I mean, it really wasn't all that cold this past year. So I didn't get a lot of wear out of them. Some of the things I haven't worn at all, and I'm just kind of ready to wear them, including what I'm going to make. So I'm pretty excited about M7430. And if you hear a lot of noise, if you've been hearing a lot of noise in the background, that's Kane, and he's playing. I'm not in my usual place for recording, so I'm not worried about any of that, and I'm not going to put him in the kennel. I'm just letting him be free. But anyways, this is all of the patterns that I picked up for this haul. If you have any of these patterns or have made any of these patterns, leave a comment below and let me know your experience. Until next time, see it, make it, slay it.